Let's make your very first Barbie pet. Choose the pet you'd like to sew and place the two matching felt pieces together. Now, begin sewing around the edge using a running stitch. Bring the needle in and out through the holes as you go. Take your time and keep your stitches smooth and even. When you're almost finished, leave a small opening. Take some soft stuffing and gently fill your pet until it feels fluffy and full. Now sew the opening closed. To finish, pass your needle through the last stitch a couple of times to secure it. Trim the thread. And now your Barbie pet is complete. Show off your creation,